So how can you save a document on the iPad? Let me talk about it. And if this is your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so it depends specifically on where the document is. A very common scenario is that you have a document attached in your email, right? Like somebody sends that to you. So if I look up my emails, you can see that I have one large document with like a picture on it, and in order to save it, all I have to do is to hold down on it. It will be like selected and it will like pop up from the screen a little bit, and this gives you more options on what you can do with it next. So obviously you can share it or copy or whatever, but there is one option which is called save to files, and that makes the most sense because you can literally export it from the mail, from the attachment, and save it to your local storage of files. So it's going to open up yet another window, and in here you can decide the location. So personally, I go to the on my iPad section, which is the local storage. You can see we have more options to pick from, but in here you can decide that you create a new folder or save it into an existing one, and that's how you can save the document from the mail attachment, for example, and save it in your local storage. Right, so that's how it works. If you by any chance do not see the save to files right away, sometimes it happens, especially if you have the document somewhere else. What you can do is to also hold it down on it and click on share first. And as you can tell, right now we have the save to files as well. So if you don't see that option first, try clicking a share, and then it is possible that it's going to appear. So I would really appreciate your feedback below. Let me know what you think about it so far. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.